Hi, thank you for joining me. This tutorial is on an arm balance variation. It's on a variation of side crow with eagle legs. So some people try to get into side crow and then wrap their legs into the eagle leg shape. I actually think it's easier to get into eagle legs first, then set up the twist and then go for the side crow. So I will break it down for you and then hopefully you might want to give it a shot. So first we're going to come in standing. We're going to set up the eagle legs. So for this demonstration, I'm going to wrap my left leg over the top, which means then I'm going to want to twist towards the left. So you're twisting towards the top eagle leg. So take the left leg, wrap it around, and hook the left foot behind your right calf muscle. Then come down, up on your tiptoes, bring the hands to the mat. So now we need to scoot our hands around to the left to set up the twist. So taking the hands around, you want to hook your eagle legs on your right tricep. Grip the mat, lean forwards, bend the arms, extend out to the side, flying your eagle legs. And then come back down. Unwrap your eagle legs and come back to sitting. So side crow is pretty strong on your core muscles, particularly the obliques. So really make sure you're engaging your bandhas, pull up your pelvic floor, suck in your lower belly, keep the shoulders broad, keep the elbows hugging in towards each other, and keep gripping the mat so you can adjust and keep your balance. Let me know if you give it a try. Don't forget to try it out on both sides. Let me know how it goes and hopefully see you soon. Thank you very much.